In this video, I will show you how to comment a photo on TikTok. So in order to do that, let's head over first to our TikTok right here and let's head over to homepage. And then let's look in here for a video that we want to comment a photo. So we have in here this video. Let's click onto this comment icon that we can see right here. Now in here you can see this. So as you can see onto the comment section, we only have the add option, the gift option, and the likes. So if you want to actually comment in here a photo, what you can do is you can click onto this add right here and then input right here a link of the actual post that you have made with that particular photo. So just click onto this plus icon that you should be able to see right there. And then from in there you can just input to this gallery. And then let's input right here a photo that we can actually input or screenshot it right here. And then just allow those photos and then post them into your TikTok in order to add them right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.